exam expert. It's a pleasure to be here first of all, and as an examiner I have seen all the stations here which are being posted.
For November 10. I have joined on-site mock of med exam. It was a really good experience. All the examiners pointed out the very fine and tiny mistakes and that needs to be polished.